Shrimp is sauteed with mushrooms and veg and topped with cooked udon noodles. Thai basil is then added and a delicious sticky sauce is poured all over that will coat the shrimp, the veg, and the noodles. It's then topped with fried shallots. Today on Cravings Food Adventures, we're making shrimp udon noodles. I love udon noodles. I love how thick and slurpy they are. And today I'm going to be tossing it together with shrimp and a bunch of other ingredients, and it's going to be delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to prepare a sauce that's super easy to make and super special. I have half a cup of oyster sauce here, and to this I'm going to add a quarter cup of dark soya sauce. I'm also going to add a half cup of sweet kisap manis. This is a sweet, sticky soya sauce. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped ginger, and for a little bit of heat, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Asian chili powder. Mix this well together. You don't have to pre-mix this, but it's going to make cooking the noodles really easy later on. I have some hot water here, and I'm just going to blanch 1 cup of broccoli florets. Once this is done, and I'm barely cooking it, I'm going to follow this with 1 cup of cauliflower. I'm using Chinese cauliflower, but you can use regular cauliflower as well. I buy my udon noodles in a package like this. It comes individually wrapped and there's 4 packages, that's 200 grams each for a total of 800 grams. Although these are pre-cooked noodles, you really want to free the noodles by blanching them in hot water as well. This will just help to loosen the noodles. They're already cooked, but this will help to loosen them, and then you can just drain them and leave them aside. I'm going to add the other half. In a large wok, I'm going to add a quarter cup of oil, add a half cup of shallots, and I'm going to allow these shallots to caramelize as we will be using these later to top the udon noodles. Once the shallots are nice and brown, remove them and keep them aside. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of sliced mushrooms. For a little bit of heat, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili. Next, I'm going to add in 1 pound of shrimp. Mix everything well together. I'm going to allow the shrimp to cook. You can tell they're cooked because of their beautiful orange color. Now, I'm going to add in the broccoli and the cauliflower. Give this a really good mix. Next, I'm going to start adding in the drained udon noodles. I'm going to toss this to coat, and then I'm going to add 1 cup of Thai basil leaves. Add the sauce in. And coat all of the noodles. Allow the noodles to sit in the hot wok for a bit and give it a mix. Then let it sit for a bit again. This allows the noodles at the bottom to caramelize just a little bit. I'm going to top with the crispy fried shallots, and this is now ready to eat. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoy this delicious recipe for shrimp udon noodles. It is such a simple recipe, but it packs so much flavor. If you love this, guys, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below so I know what you think about this recipe. Also, let me know what other videos you would like to see. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you love my videos, do share them with your family and friends so they can enjoy it as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, take care, happy eating, bye.